Okay, my suggestion is to draw a picture. And we got two foci, so let's put this down. Just a rough picture, it doesn't have to be a good picture. Let me just change that to black pen. So one of the foci is at 0, 0. The other one is 8, 0, so I'll put it over here. Just looking at it, I certainly know the center. The center of this thing over here is going to be, let's write that down, center. The center is going to be what? It's going to, the distance between that is going to be 4, 0, right? Then they're going to say the major axis is 12 units long. Well, that means from the center, I got to go in 6 in both directions towards the foci. And so this would be over here. And again, this is the number 8. This is number 4. And if I'm going 6 in from 4, I'd be at 10. And let's go 6 down from 4, and that would be -2. All right? So, you know, you got a general shape. Again, I'm not saying it's a great job, but something like this over here. All right, let's write this down now. And it's pretty easy to write down because I know the center of it. What's going to be? It's going to be x minus 4 squared. I'll worry about the bottoms later, by the way. And then you can get y minus 0 squared, and that's equal to 1. Now, what's nice about this, I can actually look at this point over here, which is 10, comma 0, and just plug it in. And if I plugged it in, what would you get? And that's going to give me something if I plug that in. What are you going to get? You're going to get, let's see, 10 minus 4 is 6. You get 36 over something plus 0 would equal 1. Well, that means this number has to be 36. So I'll write it down as 6 squared. All right? Then get my eraser out, and I got to figure out that other number. Now, so how do you figure out the other number? It has to do with the foci, and the foci are 4 units in. Right, so the distance here is 4. So I'm going to just simply call this thing b squared, and I'm going to say, you know, that formula for the foci, right? 6 squared minus b squared would equal that distance squared, which is 4 squared. Well, let's see if we can figure that out. That would be 6 squared minus 4 squared would equal b squared. Well, let's see, 6 squared is 36, 4 squared is 16, and that would be b squared. And what would you get there? You get 20 equals b squared. All right? Whoops, I didn't do a very nice job there, did I? 20 equals b squared. Or b squared equals 20. Get my eraser out again, and I'm going to erase this over here and put down 20. You could put down the root of 20 squared if you want, but just clean it up a tiny little bit, and then look at the k. So x minus 4 squared, 6 squared is 36, plus y squared over 20 is equal to the number 1. Put a box on this, and let's look at the k. I'm seeing it. Thank you.